Well, I thought it was about time I had a go at the electric mirror on the Bongo, and it stopped working. Well, it was intermittent, then it stopped working. I thought I'd have a look at the wiring, and when I took the tape off, there's a broken green wire here, and yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to solder those two together and put some heat shrink sleeving on it. And the reason I'm going to solder it, I could replace that wire all the way in here, but it's a nightmare to get everything off. So I think I can probably get away with soldering those two together and then put some nice heat shrink sleeving over the top and then tape it back up and clip it back into here, and yeah, and that hopefully will do the job. Now I picked this soldering gun up from a car boot, and it's a soldering kit, and although it's a cheapy one, I prefer the Weller one, but it does the job. So what I've done, I'll show you this, I've put two pieces of heat shrink sleeving, one over that bit and one over that bit, and then I'm going to solder that wire to that wire, and when it's soldered together I should pull the sleeving over and then shrink it onto the wire, and then this will all get taped up. But I shall try it first to make sure it will retract the mirrors. So that's the wire soldered, so I'm going to put that sleeving across there like that. I'm going to heat that bit up first. I haven't got a proper torch, so I'm going to have to use this. There you go, you can see it's shrunk like that. And I'm going to put this one over the top of that one so it's double. I can get it on like that, and do the same again. And that looks like it's done the job. Okay, yeah, I think that'll go back in there, alright. Should do. In that clamp. And before I do any more, I'm going to try it. Right, that's looking at the mirror. Both working okay. Okay, so apart from putting a bit of tape around it and putting it back in the clip and putting that back on, that's my last little job that I can think of I've got to do. So that's it all back together with the trim.
Oh goody!
Put the torch back in its holder, which is here, and the wires, and keep our fingers crossed that the other wires last a bit longer as well.